Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. Today we're in the kitchen and we're making garden pasta salad. This is a really easy recipe and you can use just about any produce that you would like. For today I'm simply going to be using some of the abundance that I've gathered out of my garden recently. The things that you will need are
prepared pasta, and today I'm using a gluten-free corn pasta. Onions. In this case, I'm using walking onions. The peppers that I'm using are the shishito Japanese heirloom peppers. I absolutely love them. For the tomatoes, I'm using heirloom yellow pear and orange cherry tomatoes, and my cucumbers are small straight 8s. I also grabbed a young zucchini out of my garden.
You will also need mayonnaise, mustard, salt, and pepper. I want about a cup each of zucchini and cucumbers. I love how easy it is to prepare these peppers. I'm going to use about a half a cup of peppers and a quarter cup of onions. I love these sweet little tomatoes, and I'm going to use about a cup of them. Next, just combine the vegetables with the pasta and stir in 3/4 cup of mayonnaise and a quarter cup of mustard. It's all incorporated. I'm just going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by hitting the thumbs up and subscribe buttons below. If this is the type of content that you like, do hit the bell so that you can be notified of future uploads. Until next time, I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.